Our next topic is bank reconciliation statement. Normally, a time gap will be there between a check issued and honored. So, bank book maintained by the customer will show the different balance from their bank passbook. BRS is a statement that shows the reasonable cost for the difference between the bank book balance and then the passbook or the bank statement balances. Now, let us see how to prepare the BRS. We will do the BRS in the model sum 7. We have already solved this model sum. We have passed the vouchers for this model sum 7. So, this is the passbook of Mr. Arjun. Okay. Before passing the BRS, now we will see we will look at this like a story. Okay, so on 1st April Mr. Arjun started a business, and on the same day he is opening the savings bank account for the value of 2 lakh. He is depositing 2 lakh. So on 1st April cash deposit 2 lakhs. Okay, it is having the credit balance. After that he receives a bank loan on the same day itself. The value is 5 lakhs. So but here the bank is received the loan on the 2nd of April only. Okay, so in the transaction we can able to see he is receiving the bank loan on 1st of April, but in the passbook it is reflecting on the 2nd of April only. Okay, so it is credited with the 5 lakhs and the balance is 5 lakh plus this 2 lakh is 7 lakh. So after that this is the payable entries only. He is buying the machinery for the value of 1,20,000 by issuing the check. On 1st May, he is issuing the check for purchasing the machinery, and we can able to see this in the day book also. We can go to display day book, change the date from 1/4 to 31/12. So on the 1st of May, okay, so on the 1st of May only he is purchasing the machinery by issuing the SBI check for the value of 1,20,000. So as we all know there will be a difference between the check issued and honored. There will be a time gap. So but on the 1st of June only the ABC traders is honoring the check. Okay, the banker is honoring the check for the value of 1,20,000. When we have bought on 1st May, but the check is honored on 1st of June only. So there will be a difference. Okay, so it has a debit balance of 1,20,000. The balance is 7 lakh minus this 1,20,000 is 5,80,000. Likewise, all these transactions are given here. Now let us see the BRS. Let us see how to do BRS. For doing the manual BRS, we have to go to display, accounts book, and then cash book or bank book, and then we have to select the list of bank. That means the name of the bank we are going to do the BRS. Okay, and then we have to select the month, and then we have to press F12, and then we have to set show narrations. We have to give yes for this show narrations. Okay, so this will displays the narrations we have entered. So for reconcile the balance, we have to press F5. If we give F5 means the reconciliation will open on the bank date field. Okay, with reference to the bank statement or passbook, we can set the relevant bank dates as shown. So as per our transaction, we are opening the account on 1st of April only. So in the bank date we have to give 1st April, and then you can able to see the balance as per company book, and then the balance as per passbook also, and the total amount which is not reflected in the bank. If you give the bank date means it will automatically added to the balance. And then on the 1st of April we are receiving the bank loan as per our company's book, but as per our passbook we are receiving it on the 2nd of April only. Okay, so on the 2nd of April we are receiving. So after giving the bank date, the amount in this column is added to the balance as per passbook. So by giving yes, the passbook is reconciled for the month of April. Okay, now let us see for the month of May. So we have to give F5. So as per our transaction, we are buying the machinery on 1st of May only. Okay, by issuing the check number 1000110, but here the check is honored on 1st of June only. So in the bank date we have to give 1st of June, and then telephone charges on 31st May we are paying the telephone charges by SBI check for the value of 1800. So now let us see the passbook. On 31st May we are issuing, but it is honored on the 2nd of June only. So now we have to go to reconciliation. 2nd of June only it is honored. Okay, we can do like this, or else if you are doing the reconciliation as a whole means we have to go to banking, and then we can go to bank reconciliation, and then we can select the bank name. Okay, here we have to change the date as 1/4 to 31/12. So here if you want to display all the transactions means we have to press F12, and then we have to select this yes for this reconciled transactions also. Here we can able to see the list of transactions we have reconciled earlier. Okay, so and after that on 31st on 1st July we sold goods to Kishore, and on 31st July we have received the check from Mr. Kishore for the value of 25,000. Okay, so we have received the check on 31st July only, but it is honored on 1st of August. Okay, so it is honored on 1st of August. So in the reconciliation we have to give 1/8. Okay, and finally we have withdrawn cash for the office use on 2nd August. It will be reflected on the same day only. Okay, so on 2nd of August we are withdrawing cash from the bank. So in the reconciliation we can give 2nd of August. After that on 31st October we are issuing the check to the Furniture Mart for the value of 30,000. Okay, on 31st October we are issuing the check for the value of 30,000, and on the same day also we are issuing the check to media advertisers. Okay, now let us see the passbook. So on 31st October we are issuing the check, but it is honored on 1st of November. Okay, so for media advertisers only it is honored on 1st of November. So in the bank date we have to give 1st of November, and then for the furniture mart it is honored on 1st of December. Okay, so we have to give 1st of December. After that, finally we are withdrawing the cash for the personal use. It is reflected on the same day, both in the company's book and in the passbook. Now we can see on the 2nd of November we are withdrawing the cash for 5,000. So this we can enter 2nd of November. So all the balance are reconciled. So the balance as per the company's book is 5,28,200, and the balance as per the bank is also 5,28,200. See, the closing balance is 5,28,200. So this is how we have to reconcile the passbook.